peaceful night it is. Welcome back to another episode of Maddie's Fishing Adventures. I hope you enjoyed the last videos that I posted, and if you have not watched them, please go watch them and like and subscribe and share them with all your friends. But today I'm on the Swartvlei Lagoon, or known as Swartvlei, where I will be targeting edibles, and we're gonna have a night session. But now we're on our way, Dad and I, we're on our way to go get some pink prawn, or sand prawn. So let's hope we can get some.
Small, we put those ones back.
I'm going to show you our trace we use to target grunter tonight. So we have our 4 kilogram main line,
Yeah.
to our swivel, then to our 8 kilogram leader line, which is then attached to our 1/0 hook. We're not going to put a sinker on because there's no current or wind here, so we're going to keep it as natural as possible and put a prawn on. What a peaceful night it is. Not a breath of wind, clear skies. I really can't remember when last I was on the water at night. That's good. No, that's a good one.
That's a nice fish. Sounds like it. Can get the net out here.
No.
Yeah. Oh, small stingers. Wow. I did not think you were going to catch a steenbras in here tonight. It's undersized, but nevertheless, it's a fish. Hold there.
Here we go.
There, the hook is out. Wow. Nice one, Madison. That's a good sharp spikes. Take it with a towel nicely.
Feel the spikes. There we go.
Slowly down. In the light.
There we go. Okay, so that chase with the single pink prawn was the bait I used and chase I used to catch that little steenbras now.
Just had the second run now. Very lazy here because there's no current.
They just went for it and stopped. Now let's just take it.
Lots of mullets around us jumping. No, taking your baits. Oh, that's not a very big fish.
See?
Nice to catch edibles again.
Dad as he makes his sounds. Oh, that's a good size. It's caught on a piece of lintworm.
And he spat it all the way up to the top. Oh,
It's just before 11 p.m. We decided to call it a night, and we only caught those 2 fish. Please stay tuned for my next episode where we'll be fishing Mossel Bay for our first offshore light tackle boat league. I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and how it has grown in the last week. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do.